Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you the quick workflow on the changes that we made for the quote section. So the way it works now, you can make a quote and now you can save and send for an approval. You can send this to your customer with the quote or with the artwork as well with the quote. Once you send that, it'll send them a link. They can go to it. They can approve it. They can make changes. They can request changes back on the apparel design or the quote if they want to make a change on it. They can write it in the notes and let you know what they want changed on it. If they approve it, it automatically goes into the production board as accepted. It'll let you know in the notification bar up here that it was good. And you could go to the production board and see it. But if you're in front of your customer, they approve it in front of you, you can click convert to work order or click the three dots and go to accepted, and it will do the exact same thing. This is where we're skipping the sales order side of it. The sales order page is still there. It all works exactly the same. If that's something that you like, you could do it that way. But it automatically adds it to the production board. That way you don't have to do that extra step. So from there, it'll be in the accepted area. You can click the job card. It'll bring up all the details for this work order. We really refactored this where all of the pages that you need to see are on here. It shows all of these different layers. If you're, production, if that's something that you utilize, you can click that. You click their machines that you're going to be running that on, who's going to be doing the work. From there, you can click the tasks. You can make your task whatever it is for that job. Your install, this is where you can actually schedule for an install for your customer. I will show you that here in a few minutes as well. You can also see the sales order side of it. This is going to be exactly the same thing you see on the sales order page. This is where you will take your payments and etc. You can go to actions, click add, works exactly the same way. You have your proof section. This is where your proofs will be. So the print file section is more geared towards like the apparel side. So like if you have like your transparencies or a PDF file or anything like that that you need to upload, so your designer or whoever does your transparency printing can download it, put it in Photoshop, print it, or however you do it with your RIP. Packaging area, this is where you can make shipping labels. This is where you can add tracking numbers. If you use something like pirate ship or anything like that, you can put that in here. If their email's on file, there's buttons here on the notify customer section where you can click. It'll notify them in an email where they're at in the progress. And your stages do show up. If your customer has access to a customer portal, in the job tracker area, it'll show exactly the stage that it's in. So if it's in production, it'll show when it's in production. It'll also show the due date that they have when they expect it to be done. And you could also change the production start and due date however you want. From there, I'm going to show you how you can actually schedule a job in for. Now I'm going to show you how to schedule in a job if it's something that you want to send over to your customer for them to pick a day. So this one here, you can click the install tab. This one here is already technically booked. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these and show you. From there, what you can do is you can either come in the work order section. It already syncs this sales order with this schedule link, so you don't have to worry about it. Or you can come over to the calendar view, and you could do it this way, where you could pick whatever job it is, and it works exactly the same way. But I'm going to do it inside of the work order so you can see that. So go to the install. So here on the install button, this right here is our client scheduling link area. This is where you can create a link, send it to your customer. They could pick whatever days that you have available for their job, and they can pick whatever days they want, and it'll automatically notify you and put it in this section here. So for right now, I'm going to pick full wrap. It's going to take 5 days. You can either do it back to back if you're a shop that does your jobs through the weekdays where you don't keep your client's car over the weekend, or if it's something they're dropping off on a Thursday, they can pick it up the following week. You can click business days only, gaps okay, and it'll offer them whatever days you have available based off your current schedule. This right here is what it'll look like. They can schedule whatever days they want that you have available. You can see there's a few days here that we don't have available. The little red dot areas here, that just means that we have jobs that are currently going on, but we do have room for more work. So you can click whatever day. I'm going to put the 8th, And if we need 5 days, it's going to count however many days, not including your days that you don't work. So like if you don't work Saturday and Sunday, it's not going to choose them days at all. 8th to the 20th, confirm install date, and it'll show them whenever the date's going to be installed, and if they have any questions, you have your information here. Now, there is a few optimizations we are going to be working on this, so it's a little more streamlined and not like so much detail. Like, other than that, whenever you're done with the job, you can either move it to complete, and it'll automatically convert it to an invoice. It shows you right here, linked sales orders that still need an invoice are billed automatically when you move a job here. So whenever you move this job over to completed, it'll actually create an invoice for you. You don't have to worry about converting it manually. It automatically does it, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions or if there's a workflow issue that you see here, definitely let me know. We're in that process of fine-tuning everything that works the best for everybody's shop. And like I said, I've had at least 4 or 5 people get a hold of me and tell me, hey, we should do this a little bit differently so we don't have to go to 5 different pages to do one thing. So definitely let me know what you think of this new change, and if it's something that we need to fine-tune. Like I said, we are fine-tuning a little bit on the install section just because we've recently implemented it and we're fine-tuning it to the best of our ability. But